Today we are going to solve this solution. 36 by 6 minus square root of 35 whole square root. Now 36 by 6 minus square root of 35 times of 6 plus square root of 35 by 6 plus square root of 35 whole square root. Now a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. 36 open bracket 6 plus square root of 35 by 6 square minus square root of 35 square whole square root. Thirty-six into 6 is 216 plus 36 square root of 35 by 36 minus this cancels this, so 35 whole square root. Now 216 plus 36 square root of 35 by 36 minus 35 is 1, so whole square root. Now this is 1, so we can consider 216 plus 36 square root of 35. We are going to change this as a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. 216 plus this 36 can be written as 2 times of 18. Now square root of 35. Two 18 can be written as square root of 18 square root of 35. (216 plus 2), this is square root of 18, square root of 18, 5 times of 7. (216 plus 2) whole square root of 18 times of 18, 5 times of 7. Now 216 plus 2, we are multiplying this square root, also we are multiplying this. This is square root of 126. This 216 can be written as 90 plus 126 plus 2 90 square root of 126. Also, this 90 can be written as 90 square root of square plus square root of 126 square plus into 2 times of 90 square root 126 square root. Now looks like a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b whole square. Ninety plus 126 square root whole square whole the power of square whole square root. This square and this square root will get cancel each other. So we have square root of 90 plus square root of 126. 9 times of 10 square root plus 126 can be written as 14 times of 9. So this can be written as 9 square root 10 square root plus 14 square root times square root of 9. Now we have common from here square root of 9 square root of 9. So when we take that common out, square root of 9 open bracket square root of 10 plus square root of 14. This square root of 9 is 3 square root of 10 plus square root of 14. This is the solution.